Namaste. I'm introducing the sun salutation, the perfect way of doing Surya Namaskar. So for that, you need to stand in front of your yoga mat. Then, by stretching your fingers by side, stretch your arms up towards the sky, and with your shoulder, stretch your spine. Inhale in this position. Feel your abdominal muscles, and then exhale. Mix lotus flower. Connect your thumbs with your third eye chakra. Meditate into sun. The sun is a god of health. And from here, roll your hands and go back. Inhale, tight your navel, mul bandh, squeeze. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg back. Right leg needs to be in line with your chest, like this, and then both palms placing on the ground. Front looking eyes. And then this leg needs to be straight. Not bend knees, straight. Then inline your body in Dandasana, the stick pose. In this pose, you need to be straight your spine and palm facing eyes. Then bend your knees, go into Chaturanga. Chaturanga means standing on 4 organs, hands and your knees. Inhale by doing Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Relax your shoulders like this, not like this. Like this, relax your shoulder. Sky facing. Stretch your throat. Exhale, come into mountain pose. In the mountain pose, you need to spread your spine, eyes looking knees. So in this pose, you don't need to go like this. You need to be straight like this. The feet needs to be straight, not like this. The feet needs to be straight. And from here, when you have to come back, lift your left leg up by inhaling Ashwa Asana. So second round, you need to flat your feet like this. Then inhale down to the navel. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale. Exhale. Now with the right leg. Inhale. The left leg needs to be straight like this. Palms are placed on the ground. Then stick pose. Maintain straight your body. Palm facing eyes. Then bend your knees. Come in a Chaturanga. Standing on 4 parts of your body. Palms and knees. Inhale, Cobra pose with stretched shoulder, bent elbows. Sky facing, the throat needs to be stretched. Mountain pose, exhale. Then right leg up, inhale. Now left leg straight, flat, stretch. In the second time, you can place your fingers like this. And exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Moolban, tight your navel muscles. Exhale, Namaskar Mudra. Inhale up, exhale down. So this is the sun meditation which we are using in Sacred Chakra healing method. You should do this kind of sun meditation so it will support your practice more and you will feel more amazing in your energies. Narmade Har.